All businesses can be improved in some way, and many face a painful battle to tackle aging systems that hinder maximising insights from data. Typically, we find the following. Business processes are highly manual, complex, and require the involvement of multiple teams to close off tasks. Due to the manual nature of the activity, there is a lack of data consistency, making it harder to perform tasks and make informed decisions. This results in more specialist skills and knowledge being required, increasing the overall time and effort to perform operations. From a management perspective, there is not enough visibility, and it can be challenging to determine the value of data. And even when new data insights are discovered, there are often no mechanisms to get this into production, frustrating the whole analytical process. These challenges ultimately lead to a business being held back. If we look at the needs of a data scientist, we can see that much stuff needs to be present for them to become fully effective. The most important message of this slide is that artificial intelligence and machine learning sits at the top. Therefore, if you want to do machine learning, you need solid foundations. You need robust data pipelines that collect, transform, and load the data. You need tools to query this big data efficiently. You also need a solid infrastructure to run your algorithms. You need orchestrators. You need to keep track of your past experiments and the data sets used at the time. There is a vast number of technical prerequisites. Machine learning models are a tiny part of the overall system, and that more attention should be given to other non-machine learning parts. There is a massive mismatch between what most companies need and what data scientist practitioners want to do. This becomes clear when you make a side-by-side comparison between a traditional data analyst and with that of a data scientist. What do you think? So, this poses a question about the need for a Dave. Is a data scientist a luxury? Or is there an alternative, more effective strategy? More on this later, but first, let's look at some actual data to understand how simple but effective analysing new data sets can be.